If you're a notary who wants to make money in 2024, you're gonna wanna watch today's training because I'm gonna teach you how to use the holidays to have more money and kickstart your 2024. Let's go. You need to leverage this season to start creating relationships. There will never be an easier time to market your business direct any time of the year outside of this. Why? Because it's the holiday cheer. It's not weird when you walk in and say happy holidays. Happy holidays from your local signing agent. It's not weird. You know what most notaries do during the holidays? They take vacations, they spend it with their families. This is where you separate yourselves from all the other notaries. If you're one of those people like, look, I need an excuse to go in somewhere, I need an excuse to enter a conversation, this is the time. So this is the best time to market because most people take the time off. I need you to lean in. Most people go, oh, I'm gonna start my New Year's resolutions in January. I need you to go in this week because if you go in January 1st, you're gonna be competing with all the other signing agents who have the same New Year's resolutions that you do. This is the moment you go all in, not January 1st. We're gonna make a game plan today. I'm gonna have you plan it out over the weekend and then Monday you go ham. The number one thing to understand is what is our goal? Your goal is not to get a signing. Your goal is to start a relationship. I think the word marketing gets you a little bit intimidated when we've created relationships our entire life. That's all we do in our business. Whoever creates the most authentic relationships makes the most money. So what are you trying to do this holiday season? You're trying to create authentic relationships. So the first time you market is just simply an introduction to start a relationship. So why is the holidays the best time to market your business? It's because you have 3 natural follow-up moments. You're gonna go in right before Christmas and right after New Year's. There are natural touch points for follow-up. You say Merry Christmas before Christmas, and you say Happy New Year's after New Year's. It's a natural follow-up sequence. So that's why we gotta take advantage of the holiday season right now. Remember, the first touch point is going in to create a relationship, and I'm gonna teach you how to build on that in this training today. The biggest problem signing agents make, listen to this carefully, is you market when it's busy. You don't market when it's busy, you market before it's busy so you can be busy the moment it gets busy. There are 3 buckets of people you need to talk to this holiday season. The first bucket is people you've never marketed to. The first interaction is you setting up the follow-up. Humans like familiarity. You're not familiar the first time around, but guess what you're gonna be the second time around? Your first meeting is just collecting information that you can cement on the second follow-up. Second follow-up is key. But again, what makes the holidays amazing is we have a natural follow-up, like a very natural follow-up. That's why you gotta take advantage of the holidays now. This is relationship building season. Realtors do it, lenders do it, car salesmen do it, everybody's not the only one. So second bucket is the follow-up. Then there is a third bucket. The third bucket is someone who's given you at least 1 signing the past year. This is where you use the philosophy, it takes money to make money. You need to make your clients feel appreciated during the holidays. The best way to buy gifts is based on what they actually like and do. So I'm always keeping tally of what someone likes to do. Like a lot of people try to separate business relationships and personal relationships. They're all personal, folks. There's no such thing as a business relationship and personal relationship. Your job is to make business personal. And when you can turn your business relationships into friendships, everything changes. So there's 3 buckets. We got new clients never marketed to, we have follow-up clients, and we have clients who we've got at least 1 signing with. Do we all understand the different buckets and what we do? So the holidays is a great way to get in front of somebody who used to give you business. And you're just coming in with authentic gratitude for the signings they gave you 8 months ago. I'm gonna end with 2 things. The first thing I wanna say is thank you. I know there are so many options for signing agent training. I'm not the only guy out there. So the fact that you trust me with your journey humbles me, makes me feel the gratitude. You guys affect my family more than you'll probably ever know. So from my wife and my son, thank you, thank you. And from the entire loan signing system team, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. So I end every conversation with the same thing, and I'm gonna say it again, because I need you to really understand what I mean by this, and I believe in you so much. But why do I believe in you? Because I know how hard it was to get to this point. There was so many reasons why you could have thrown in the towel. There was so many reasons why you could have said, you know what, this business isn't for me. But you blocked out the negative voices. I need you to start recognizing that in yourself. Because when you do, you'll stop being afraid to tell people that you're a notary. The notary that makes the most money just tells the most people, man. Let's stop overthinking this business. So I'll remind you every single time you get on a live together how awesome you are. 90% of America works for 10%. You have the audacity to believe you can build something from nothing. Like, that is amazing. The courage, the bravery that it takes to be an entrepreneur. So when I say I believe in you, because I know what cloth you're cut from. I need you to start knowing what cloth you're cut from. It's now time to lean into that. Go tell every single person where you live that you're a notary signing agent and you are their best option. So when I say I believe in you, man, it's just not some rah speech, it's the freaking truth. So I end every single one of these with the same saying, I believe in you, man. But I cannot believe in you more than you believe in yourself. Let's go! I'm out of here! Be blessed, happy holidays, build a business. I know you can. Bye, everybody.
It feels so good.